let's go into understanding a bit more about some of these emotions. When you are focused on angry, critical, resentful thought patterns, without, and I want to say without actually seeing the wisdom or the possibility that they can shed. So I can have an angry emotion or resentful, and I can explore it, not try and get rid of it, but I can meet it, which is basically what Cherie was saying. I meet it and I explore it. And through that, I have a realization. And the realization is, why am I angry? What am I angry about? Where do I feel that I am being hurt, or I'm hurting, or I'm not in alignment, or this is my favorite word at the moment, or I'm not listening? What is this anger that's showing up for me? So when you do that, it's very, very different than when you just keep this anger and resentment and criticism going over and over and over again, right? With no conscious tuning into it. So if you just keep it going, you will start to have problems with headaches in particular, because it attacks your nervous system as well. With migraines, like I said, nervous system disorders, over a long period of time, it can become Parkinson's disease. It can even become brain tumor and others. So again, I'm just sharing a little bit of where it can lead you.